So next measurements we get into is we want to convert pounds to kilograms. Now, again, pounds and kilograms. I know that from some of my reading that 1 kilogram is approximately the weight of a textbook. So in those terms, I'm thinking kilogram and pounds should be fairly closely related. So if we go down through here, notice that, 1 kilogram is approximately 2.2 pounds. You know, so a kilogram is actually heavier than a pound. It takes 2.2 pounds to go kilogram. Now, the only time I really mess with kilograms and stuff like that is when I go to the gym, I sometimes see kilograms on my weights and pounds on my weights as well. So both of those units of measurements are tied in together there. So, 1 kilogram equals, 2.2 pounds, if you will. So if I just round it to the tenths place. Now, for us though, easiest way to do this is just follow the conversion factor. So we want to start with pounds and go to kilograms. So we want to go from pounds and we want to go to kilograms. So using my conversion chart, we want to go pounds to kilograms. So what we can do is multiply by this conversion factor. So we want to multiply by then this pounds to kilograms. We want to multiply by this 0.4536. So if I have 62 pounds, what I can do is multiply 62 by this 0.4536, and that'll convert into kilograms. So keep in mind, a kilogram weighs more, so it should be less kilograms because it takes 2.2. So if I was just estimating, you know, if I round this, each kilogram is about 2 pounds. So if we have 62 pounds, if I divide that by two, basically, I'm thinking that the answer should be close to 31 because a kilogram is twice as much as a pound. So if I'm giving you pounds, I should be half the size of that. So I'm looking for an answer that's close to 31. So if I do 62 times 0.4536, that'll give me the exact answer, 28.12. So 28.1232, and that'll be the answer in kilograms. Now let me pause for a second here, make sure that's where they want to round this at. So the homework actually says round to two decimal places. So in your homework, they want to round to the hundredths place. So they want to round this too. So the question is the answer going to be 28.12 or should it be 28.13? Well, the number right next to the two is a three. And remember, it's got to be five or more to round up. Since this is four or less, this tells me to round it back down to the 1, 2. So the answer should be then 28.12 kilograms because we're going to round back down to 28.12 as opposed to rounding up to 28.13. So I'm feeling pretty good about that since I know that, a kilogram it takes approximately 2 pounds to be a kilogram. So I can use that estimation to kind of move forward.